Last week I made a couple of really beautiful large mercury glass candle holders. Since I'm making these for my dining room table, I like to have a piece that would complement them. So using some of the pieces I had left over, I like to quickly show you how I made this beautiful black mercury glass crystal display plate for my buffet table. To make this piece, I'm using one 7.5-inch black glass plate and one 10.5-inch black glass plate from Dollar Tree. I'm also using a large clear glass platter, 13 inches. I got this from Walmart a while back. Some of the pieces I still had left over from my last project were these crystal acrylic diamonds, crystal acrylic vase fillers, sea glass, and Krylon silver looking glass spray paint. These items I got from Michael's craft store. I'm also using a little of the diamond wrap I had left over. To put the pieces together, I'm using Gorilla Clear Grip glue and a hot glue gun with Gorilla Glue sticks. Okay, first I'm going to start by giving my plates that mercury glass look. I'm using the Krylon looking glass spray paint. I'm also using vinegar and water mixture for this. And I'm going to have a wet, damp cloth and a blotting paper towel. So I'm going to start by spray painting the bottoms of all 3 plates. And while the paint is still wet, I'm going to spritz it with my vinegar and water mixture. This will cause the paint to start to bubble up. And with a balled up paper towel, I'm blotting around the plate to cause the paint to break up even more. While my plates are drying, I'm also using the same looking glass spray paint to paint half my sea glass pieces. Now that everything's dry, I'm going to start assembling my plates. Using Gorilla Clear Grip glue, I'm gluing the medium plate on top of the large plate, and then the small plate on top of the medium plate. And you want to make sure all the plates are centered. Now on the outer edge on the largest plate, I'm going to start gluing my silver painted sea glass pieces. I'm using the Gorilla Clear Grip glue for this. And as I go around, I'm alternating small and large stones. I want this outer edge to match the diamond and crystal design I did on my candle holders. So I'm going to cut one long strand of diamonds out of this diamond wrap ribbon. And I'm using dots of the hot glue to glue the diamonds in and around the stones. Next, I'm adding these crystal fillers evenly spaced above the silver stones. And for these I'm using both glues, the hot glue and the clear grip glue, so that I can position them without them sliding off since they're so close to the edge. And to fill up in between the spaces, I'm going to use the smaller crystals and place those around above the stones. So you have something that looks like this. For the center portion, I'm using these diamond gems. I'm putting a drop of clear grip glue on one side at the bottom and a drop of hot glue right next to it on the same side. And I'm placing that first one down so that the diamond faces the small plate. The next one, the diamond will face outward. And we're going to continue this pattern all the way around. Now I'm using the clear sea glass, the pieces that I didn't spray paint silver, and I'm positioning these evenly spaced around the diamonds in the center. And now I think I'm done. I think this will match my candle holders really well. And I decided to leave the center clear of crystals so that you can see that mercury glass effect through all the glass plates. And now I have the perfect complement to my large glass table pieces. Plus, it looks really great on my buffet table with my mosaic pumpkin I got from Home Goods and my small crystal candle holders I made last year. So check back next week to see how I finished decorating my dining room with these large mercury glass pieces and some pops of color using all Dollar Tree items. Now you can pick up all my favorite crafting supplies and products used on this show with the one-click, easy shopping, and fast delivery convenience of Amazon. On my new Amazon shopping page, type in amazon.com/shop/yourhouseofhometv and you'll find all the supplies for my newest project, all my crafting supplies, project pieces, home decor, kitchen, garden, and more. And pick up our Your House of Home metallic multi-surface acrylic paint. With 8 shimmering colors, you can mix millions of colors and paint on any surface, indoor or outdoor, to create endless home beauty. And while you're there, add to your cart our Book of Elegant Home Crafts Volume 1, filled with step-by-step instructions for your favorite projects. Available here in paperback and ebook. See the information tab for the hardcover. Get this and all the supplies you need for your next project all in one place. I'll be working every day to add great products to make home crafting fast and easy. Follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Snapchat at Your House of Home and Your House of Home TV for daily home, food, and gardening tips.